Still feeling out of breath when swimming freestyle? This video, I'm going to show why that happens and how to start understanding incorporating relaxed breathing. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is highlighting breath control and why you are feeling out of breath and how to take the right steps to achieve a relaxed rhythmic breathing pattern. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly and you support the channel. Okay swimmers, so in this video I'm going to go through my top 3 reasons why you may be having challenges with executing an efficient breath and steps to correct it. One of the top reasons why you may be feeling out of breath when swimming freestyle is due to incomplete exhalation. So not fully exhaling underwater can leave residual carbon dioxide in your lungs, making your next breath feel inadequate and rushed. Instead of exhaling everything, aim for a continuous, controlled exhale that is steady and consistent. This helps you maintain buoyancy and rhythm, ensuring a smoother and more relaxed inhale when you turn your head to breathe. Focus on exhaling enough air to avoid a buildup of carbon dioxide, but don't empty your lungs completely, which could cause you to sink and disrupt your breathing rhythm. A balanced exhale allows you to maintain buoyancy and streamline your breathing process, enhancing your overall swimming efficiency. So you can see in this video demonstration that I maintain a rhythmic exhale, breathing every 3 in this demonstration, and you can see that the bulk of the exhalation starts to happen on the return of my head back, as well as right at exit when my head position is out of the water. You can also see in this forward view, just looking at the exhale, the bubbles near my nose, that a bulk of it happens on the return of my head position after taking in a breath. This allows my lungs to relax, allows me to release that CO2, and I feel much more comfortable when breathing, and I'm able to swim further and farther with less effort. Another problem that can happen is late inhalation. If you wait too long to start your inhale, you may not have enough time to take a full breath in before your head returns to the water. Begin your inhale as soon as your mouth is out of the water. This allows for a quick and easy breath and also helps you maintain your timing. Another reason why you may be out of breath is just due to incorrect body position. For example, lifting your head or you're over-rotating. Those types of points in your technique can cause you to feel extremely out of breath because 1, you're exerting more energy, 2, you're increasing your drag, and 3, it's completely throwing off your breathing rhythm. So when practicing, focus on trying to keep your head low and try to breathe within the bow wave or the pocket with minimal rotation. And one last point that would cause you to feel out of breath is overexertion and poor pacing. Basically, swimming too fast or pushing yourself too hard without pacing can lead to rapid fatigue and breathlessness. Maintain a steady, sustainable pace that matches your fitness and skill level. If you push yourself too hard, this can lead to anxious or tense swimming, which can make it feel difficult to relax and actually breathe naturally. So be sure to pace yourself based on your skill level, slow down, and focus on calm relaxation in the water. Okay, swimmers, now that you're starting to understand why you may be feeling out of breath, you can start incorporating these simple steps to get you closer to achieving a more relaxed breathing style. Now, if you're watching this video and you are still struggling with not only the form of your freestyle breath, but also overall comfort and efficiency, hit the pinned comments below and join my Swim Vice program today. I have multiple courses detailing and outlining specific progressions with drills, practice outlines, video demonstrations, and so much more. You can also go to swimvice.com to access more resources to help with your swim training. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.